guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dimma. So guys, I'm going to attempt to do some grocery shopping again today. I have a few things that I need to buy, nothing like serious. I'm not planning to go buy really, I don't know, like when I go grocery shopping, I always feel like I have to go get a few things and then I come back with everything. And the reason why I'm actually even going is I haven't baked in a while and I really want to bake something. I'm thinking of maybe baking cookies, chocolate chip cookies. I have everything I think I'd need for cookies aside chocolate chips. So yeah, I want to quickly see if I can get those. Let me grab my bag, close the door, turn off the lights. I am in the mall again. I want to get something from Mini. So there are these glass bottles that I use. It's okay. So there are these glass bottles that I use, and I use them to put water. I just like to drink my water in bottles. I've been doing that for a very long time. From there, I'm going to see my friend and we're just hanging out. But yeah, let me grab that real quick. There's a car behind me. Move back, Joe. Okay, so guys, I thought that the plastic bottles were going to be a lot cheaper. They were selling for like 1,490, but then the glass bottles, these really cool ones that I got, they looked way better. Okay, 420 ml. I'm trying to open it up so that you guys can see. I'm not sure if it's because this is an old stock, new stock thing. Hopefully you guys can see, okay, because it's really bright in the car here, but I think that this is a very good deal for $9.90. I like to just drink my water in these type of bottles. And this is glass. Okay, glass is always better than plastic if you ask me. So I'm happy. Guys, see this person.
Hey guys.
Eric never shows his face. So we are at Lennox Mall, tea room. We are filming, or we're about to film an episode of Ndani Real Talk. I just saw Bimbo outside. Tomika is hosting. I'm so excited. And then obviously Eric that you guys just saw. Eric is also like showing his face. So this is going to be interesting. I've always wanted to be on Ndani Real Talk before. It's happening, thank God. No, when I applied, I could apply 3 times.
This pandemic thing is different. So now they are giving you digital pin if you don't get the paper one.
Oh yeah, go and get digital pin. Tomika, say hi.
Hi, Dimma. You know I love you.
See, Tomika is always happy.
No, I'm happy to see you because I love you so much.
I thought she was very happy because she just got. Somebody told me she just got.
So say hello to my people. Hello. Bimbo, say hello. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys my outfit before I left the house, and I left the house in such a rush. Like, I didn't have time to take a good picture. I'm wearing this skirt. You guys have seen it before, so I wanted to show you guys because I did not show you guys before leaving. I've had this skirt for like a very long time. I got it from ASOS, like a very, very long time. And this top is from Fashion Nova, obviously. Like, yeah. Okay, guys, let me move close to the window. Finally wearing my unique half t-shirt. The one that they gifted me, I kind of told you guys a while back. I want to bake cookies. Finally, I have everything that I need for these cookies. I got milk chocolate chip, not chips. Actually, I got milk chocolate, right? You guys saw me grabbing that and I didn't get dark chocolate. I'm hoping that I don't regret it. The recipe that I saw online is very straightforward. A lot of the things that you guys actually see me cooking here, I cook them or try them or trying to make them for the very first time. So I'm going to try or attempt chocolate chip cookies and hopefully it turns out great. I have a recipe. I have all the ingredients. Let's do this. Guys, I'm done. My face is so freaking greasy, but I really love this. It's just the right amount of crispy and it's soft inside, okay? Like, I like it a lot. I don't know if it's the milk chocolate and it's just making it so good to me or for me, but I like it. Like this would go so well with tea or like any kind of chocolate drink. I'm going to make this again, but definitely this time just use way more chocolate because I think that I didn't use enough chocolate this time around. You guys saw that I grabbed like 3 packets of chocolate in the store, but guys, I ended up eating like the others like the one I had was the last one, so I couldn't really do anything or add more. So I've learned my lesson. I'll do better next time. But overall, this was good. I was worried that it would be too sweet. Guys, there's nothing I hate like biscuit that is too sweet or if like there's too much sugar. Not the same thing at all with this. I just keep forgetting that with my oven, because of how small it is, I have to bake things for longer. So the recipe that I used said about 10 to 8 minutes. If you have a big oven, that probably would work. But because my oven is so small, I end up baking for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, I'd say. Like, oh my god. The center of this is the perfect type of soft. Just wish I had more chocolate in it. But that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to me if you are not yet subscribed. I'll see you in my next one.